Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search on your A35 device. This innovative feature allows you to quickly find information about anything on your screen with a simple gesture. You can circle an object, text, or image, and your device will instantly provide relevant search results. It's designed for efficiency, saving you valuable time and effort when you need information on the go. To activate Circle to search, navigate to your device's settings menu. Look for the Display or Advanced Features section, then find and toggle on Circle to search. Once enabled, simply press and hold the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. A translucent overlay will appear, indicating the feature is ready for use. This feature is incredibly versatile for everyday use. Imagine seeing an interesting product in a social media post. Simply circle it to find purchasing options. Or, if you encounter an unfamiliar word in an article, circle it for an instant definition. You can even circle a specific part of an image, like a plant or a building, to get more focused search results, making information gathering seamless. The primary benefit of Circle to search is its unparalleled efficiency. You no longer need to take screenshots, open a separate search engine, or type out queries. With just one simple gesture, you can access a wealth of information directly from your current screen. This integration saves you several steps, making your device experience smoother and significantly more productive throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.